Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to a vlog type video. Well, yeah, it's a sort of a vlog or tutorial. Call it whatever you want. My name is Mike Howl. This is Slash, and today we're going to be teaching him how to drift. Yeah, you agreed to this. Give me 1 second. Look, I know we agreed to do this video today, right? No, you can't just back out of this. You said before you wanted to learn how to drift, right? Just throw on the drift tires, you'll be fine. Slash has agreed to help us out by learning how to drift, and he wants to teach you guys at home how to drift with your very own Slash 4x4. But before we continue on with today's video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's over there. Tell him, Slash, what he said. So in order to drift any sort of RC car, you're going to need plastic tires. With these special plastic tires, basically it loses all sort of traction when you apply full power, and you're able to drift. Now, we need to get these on Slash, so don't worry, it's gonna be fine. Okay, Slash, this is gonna require me to take off the Hey, no, Slash, stop it. It's gonna be fine. You're gonna have so much fun. Yeah, see? It's not so bad. Okay, let me try this again. Really? And just like that, Slash is looking spectacular in his new drift wheels. Yes, I understand they're small, but guess what? They are plastic. Now, you're probably wondering why they are plastic. Yes, I already know you know, but the viewers at home don't know. Well, essentially, having plastic tires on your RC drift cars helps the traction brake so that way you can create awesome slides. Well, now that you have the drift wheels, how about we make you look more like a drift car? With a awesome montage. What we're actually going to do first is take off this front bumper so that way we can get a little bit more lower to the ground. Slash, you look awesome! Yeah, I know, me taking off your bumper looks like I shaved your face. But dude, how do you feel? Like, go ahead, give it a spin! Oh, that didn't exactly go quite well, did it? You know what, we need to go outside. Slash, you kind of lost a tire, mate. All right, I'm going to fix it.